try to get me back. Will think you're whatever. June. You're gonna catch a cold from the eyes inside your soul. Don't come back to me. Don't come back at all. How the fuck can I block? So fucking annoying. Why do I even have to talk to these fuckers? Ew. Get out. How can I do this? I wanna leave my server. I gotta leave my my own Discord server, like the community, cause like it's so annoying. You guys can text me without basically permission, like accept. It's not like a DM Instagram. And I don't like that. Like this bald motherfucker is like, fuck you say I forgot. It's like, oh, why don't you show some gratitude? Like gratitude to what, bitch? First of all, you're ugly. And you're fucking bald. Not my type. And second, what do you expect me to fucking talking to you like I'm your fucking girl? Fuck nah. You see why? This is why I need an assistant, cause even if I have to answer email or like DM on Instagram for modeling collab, I don't want to do it myself, cause I hate like, yeah, like, oh my god, how are you? You know what I mean? Just straight to the fucking point. You trying to make money, like, you trying to make me money or not, Fucking wasting time, bitch. He sent me his picture, I was like, ugh. Man, probably you see me right now, but I don't give a fuck, bro. Like, you know what I mean? When you know you're ugly, and then you really think you can pull a fucking girl like me? Fuck no. Get your shit together. Get some money. There's a lot of ugly men out there in this world. They know their look is nothing, but they work hard. So the only thing that can help them to catch woman attention is their fucking money, at least. And you seems like don't have both, so vete a la mierda. In Spanish, that means fuck off. And a rude way to kick someone. This is like disgusting, man. I don't know if I'm racist or what. But like, every time I see like today, they're fucking everywhere, man. Like a brown guys with a fucking pubic in their fucking face. This is always my reaction, like, man, I can't be diplomatic. I know I can't. Fuck. Like, why don't you fucking, ugh. Jesus. It's too much testosterone on them, I guess. I don't fucking know. Ew. Oh, so bored. What should we do? What should I do? I don't really feel like streaming these days, but whatever. I have to.